What's up YouTube? Welcome to another episode on Hot Trades. My name is Blaze. So usually on this channel we cover stocks that are well over 100%, but today's video is a little bit different. We'll be going through 4 common mistakes that a lot of traders, including myself, make often. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's go! So number 1 is trading without a stop loss. You win some, you lose some, as long as the outcome is income. That's a quote from our very own Dreezy Drake. I think it's fair to say that every trade you make won't be green, right? Because the market eventually humbles everyone. I know it's humbled me more than a few times, but the idea is to keep those losses very, very small. I'm sure you've heard this more than a few times now. Cut your losers quick and let your winners run. Trading isn't about being right. Honestly, it's not about being right. It's about making money. So why not cut your losers quick and live to trade another day, because there really is always another opportunity. So a stop loss could be a psychological level. So for example, let's say you're trading a stock at $20.50. Well, $20 is obviously a very big psychological level. So your stop loss could just be right below that, right? So $19.99 or something like that. Your stop loss could also be just below a very well-known support. Or your stop loss could just be an amount of money that you're willing to lose. I know for me, like when I trade, I don't like to lose more than $300 on a trade. The market doesn't really care about you or your money. I'm sure you guys know that by now. And you don't get a refund in the market. So please try to use stops. So number 2 is revenge trading. Revenge trading is when you try to win your money back by taking a bigger and usually riskier trade. This type of trading is driven by anger and usually doesn't end well. Friendly reminder, you don't have to make your money back in the same stock, right? I think as traders, a lot of us expect to be positive on every single trade, every single day, and that's just not realistic. And most of the time, that's what causes the pain. Again, remember, it's not about being right, it's about making money. If you find yourself getting angry at a trade, log out of your broker, walk away for a little bit. And I know for me, like it really helps to walk away for a bit, just relax and recoup, right? So meditation also helps me really well. So number 3 is trading too big. When you trade too big, every move becomes an emotional roller coaster just because you're scared to lose, and once you become emotional, your plan goes out the window. You forget why you got into the trade in the first place. It might even cause you to set your stop losses too tight again because you're scared to lose, right? Proper position sizing is very, very important. It allows your trade to actually play out. It gives you time to tell whether you're wrong or whether you're right. It allows you to just trade in just a calm state of mind. Proper position sizing is just different for everyone. I know some people only trade with 10% of their portfolio on a single trade. It's just up to you to find what's just comfortable for you. Trading isn't supposed to be fun, but you shouldn't be stressing all the time. Trading should be enjoyable, not fun. When you start having fun when you're trading, you're just gambling. And number 4 is trading against the trend. I didn't really put much effort into these charts just because you guys most likely know exactly what I mean by uptrend and downtrend. If you don't, let me know in the comments section. But basically, you're trying to short when the market is going straight up and trying to pick the bottom when the market is clearly going down. As you guys know, trading isn't exactly easy, even if you're going with the trend and going with the flow. But going against the trend is just setting yourself up for failure. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.